pork cheeks, smoked like BBQ, finished like Italian grandma's Bollito. But pork cheeks have one problem. Cook them wrong and they turn into rubber. I will show you exactly how to avoid that. No trimming, leave the silver skin on. During the smoke it melts down and all that flavor stays in the meat. First dry the meat with kitchen paper. Thin layer of yellow mustard. This is the binder. It holds the rub in place and you will not taste it. Now the SPG rub, salt, pepper, garlic, already mixed. Coat every surface, press it in with your fingers, you want full contact. Let it rest 10 minutes. The salt draws moisture out, then pulls the spices back in. While it rests, set up the grill. Indirect heat, 130 degrees Celsius or 266 degrees Fahrenheit. Pellet choice matters here. Hickory, it delivers a deeper, more intense smoke flavor. Before the meat hits the grill, insert the probe. Target internal temperature, 95 degrees Celsius or 203 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the key advantage. No need to open the lid repeatedly. Every time you open it, cooking stops. The heat escapes, time is wasted. Set the probe, close the lid, let the smoker do its job. Now we wait. 64 degrees Celsius. Internal target reached. Look at that color, deep red from the smoke. The bark is locked in. Now comes the Italian twist. Place the meat in a baking tray. Pour meat broth around it. Now the Italian part, dried rosemary, dried sage, two herbs that define Italian cooking. They change everything. The smoke gave this meat an American soul. These herbs give it an Italian heart. Cover the tray with aluminum foil, seal it tight. The broth creates steam. The herbs release their oils into that steam. Smoke meets Mediterranean aromatics. Back on the grill, same temperature, target stays locked. Pull it out. Let it rest 5 minutes on the board. Moment of truth. Look at that. Bark on the outside, melt in your mouth inside. The smell is smoke and Italian broth together. Let's run it back. Silver skin stays on. It adds flavor and protects the meat. Thin layer of yellow mustard, the binder. SPG rub, salt, pepper, garlic, straight on. Probe in, target 95 degrees Celsius, lid closed, no peeking. Indirect heat, hickory pellets for a deeper smoke. Into the tray, broth around, dried rosemary, dried sage, the Italian twist. Sealed tight, back on the grill. If you want more Italian BBQ twists on a balcony, watch this video next. Subscribe, I post new recipes every week.